Hey, what's going on? My name is Brandon Middleton. I am the founder, visionary, and strategist of NOVAEO. And we are currently looking for a production manager at our manufacturing facility in Tampa, Florida. So, our little bit of context about our business as a whole is we own somewhere in the realm of like 10 or 12 health and wellness product brands in the categories of dietary supplements, cosmetics, over-the-counter drugs, which is like acne products and sunscreen. We have tea and USDA organic superfoods and healthy sweeteners. That's what we manufacture ourselves. And then we have a couple contract manufacturers as well, but about 70%, maybe 80% of our products we manufacture ourselves, which is why we are looking for a production manager. Because as of right now, we have one leadership role at our warehouse with a very small team of only about 7 people. And we need to separate our leadership into quality control, which is where our current person will get moved into, and production, which is hopefully what you are an absolute rock star in. So production and order fulfillment. Order fulfillment's a small chunk of it. It's really the manufacturing that we're looking for. So like I said, we have usually fluctuates between about 6 to 8 people at the warehouse. We also have a lot of remote support. People from the Philippines, Mexico, etc., that all provide remote support to our overall supply chain. And our biggest hurdle right now, our biggest inefficiency, is being able to scale and further optimize our production. And that is predominantly due to machinery. So one of the major skills that we absolutely must need you to come to the table with is revolving around machinery. So we need you to have the mechanical know-how to troubleshoot machines when they get a little screwy or even just break down altogether. No expectation that you are a machinery engineer that is capable of fixing every little issue, but sometimes just small issues happen. And currently we are lacking team members to even troubleshoot the small issues. We're lacking team members that are on site at the warehouse that are capable of doing that. And so we need that. And even more valuable is to have an awareness of the types of machinery that exist, to be able to research and find that, to find that out within the various budgets that we could have. And so that you could be running cost analysis to figure out what new machinery ought we to buy that we can afford that will significantly reduce our labor expenses in production. Pretty simple. So, if you are interested in this role, please really emphasize your skills, experience, and just general handyman, mechanical abilities in general, and then also more specific to machines. All right? And something, you would be joining our team at a pretty opportune time, because as of right now, our warehouse only services our own product brands that we own ourselves. But we are also in the process of looking for a CEO that is going to help us brand, market, and build a sales team for our warehouse operations, our manufacturing, and 3PL services that we can offer. And once we start investing into that project, we're going to scale significantly. And what that means for you is as the business scales, your responsibilities can scale, and as your responsibilities scale, your income will certainly scale significantly. So we are basically looking for someone that has a little bit of that startup mentality, even though we aren't actually a startup. I've been doing this for a little over a decade. So we are proven and established, but we've never built ourselves to service outside clients. And so that's going to require really, really optimized systems, efficiency, and the ability to produce even more types of products than what we're currently doing. Hence the need for additional machinery. And compliance is not actually going to be underneath your realm of responsibility, but if you do have knowledge or experience operating in compliance, especially if it's dietary supplements, foods, cosmetics, over-the-counter drugs, or if you have any kind of pharmaceutical experience, even though we don't do pharma, that's even higher regulatory stuff. So that would be a great experience too, but not required because that's actually in the realm of our quality manager, but helps nonetheless. So as you go through this application, if you have absolutely any questions at all that answers to those questions would help you create an even better application, then please do not hesitate to reach out. Your questions will get to me directly, and I will answer them for you. And otherwise, I really look forward to your application. And I really, really firmly believe that this opportunity that we have to offer is incredible for the right person. The person that has that startup mentality of, invest yourself heavy initially for huge outputs and values in the future. That's not to say that you won't be compensated fairly in the beginning, but for someone that can really push and really has the drive and really has the passion, the progression, the possible advancement opportunities, not possible, the advancement opportunities that will exist are basically there's no plateau. None at all. You would be able to get in on a team when it's only 6, 7, 8 people deep for basically what is sort of a new business, but also sort of not. So you get the benefits of being able to ride the wave starting at the beginning, but you also get the benefits of the business already has a proven track record of functioning for over a decade. So this really is a unique opportunity. So anyway, I look forward to your application. Thank you for watching this, and appreciate your time. All right, thanks, bye.